Good morning and thank you for joining us at number 3 Redhall View at Templand, Lockerbie. As you can see, this end of terrace bungalow has a beautiful elevated situation with lovely open aspect views. The bungalow is located approximately 4.5 miles from Lockerbie and about 2.5 miles from Lochmaben itself. Both areas have a wealth of local amenities available and excellent transport links. If I take you inside today, we go into an entrance hallway with large walk-in storage cupboard, providing an ideal cloak area or storage for utility items. The bungalow as a whole is neutrally decorated throughout with neutral carpeting. We are proceeding into the living room with a front elevation aspect, feature fireplace, access into the kitchen and then into the further accommodation. The kitchen is extremely well presented, as is the whole property itself. You've got plenty of space for a freestanding cooker, plumbing for a washing machine, and you've got a lovely open aspect onto your garden that is enclosed and private for your own use. As we continue through the accommodation, you do have an inner hallway with further storage available. We have got a storage area here which has got shelving and is housing meters. You've got your rear access door into the garden and a further storage cupboard here as well. And we have the benefit of loft access above. The bungalow is a one-bedroomed property, but it is well proportioned with a lovely front elevation view also. Decoration continues with neutral tones and neutral carpet, and you have got a large built-in wardrobe. I'll turn the camera around, the outlook that you do have from the bedroom window. The bungalow will suit a variety of tenants, whether it be for a first home, whether it be for a retirement property. The shower room has plenty of accessibility with your toilet, wash hand basin and electric shower cubicle. The rear access door leads directly into the garden with the benefit of a garden shed, area for bin storage and recycling, and a laid lawn garden. You do have gated pedestrian access to the rear of the garden. And a lovely elevated view. So Redhall View is available for let. Please do contact Hunters to get further information, to perhaps arrange a viewing on the property. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you for joining us.